everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload any new videos. Alright y'all, so we are here with yet another edition of Budget Friendly Fridays. I said Budget Friendly Fridays. I said Budget Friendly Fridays. Budget Friendly Fridays. Yes, y'all, we're here with another edition of Budget Friendly Fridays, which is where I'm bringing you wig reviews that are under $25. Trying to save them coins, save them pockets. Alright, so today I'm reviewing a FreeTress Equal unit in the style JANNIE, and I have her in the color number 2. Now this is a much older wig. I just kind of stumbled across her, you know, when I'm doing my little shopping. You know, I try to see what's in the budget-friendly price range, and I stumbled across this one, and I realized that she's been around for at least 5 years. Like, she's a oldie, but honey, she's a goodie. So, let's go ahead and get right into this review. So now that I'm done styling this unit, I must put her in the super easy breezy beginner friendly category. Like, this y'all so easy. A great throw on and go. So like I mentioned, I kind of stumbled across her just, you know, while I was shopping. But I realized that I had seen at least one review on her. And that was by my girl Kyra Sean, and she reviewed her like several months ago. But I do remember seeing that review, and I was like, oh, that's nice. But it didn't make me jump at the time, probably because I had a ton of wigs at the time. But I really like this unit. The number one thing I like about this unit is, of course, this yacky texture. JANNIE is bringing me the yak. Give me the yak. Woo! And it's layered all nice already. Like, this is nice. Now, this parting space was a little non-existent. So, you saw me go in, and y'all know I just be pulling hairs. Don't do what I do. Pull real gentle. Take your time. I really was trying to pull a couple strands at a time, but the impatience in me just be like, but you know, don't do what I do. Do better. Be better than me. So I did pull a few little hairs out of the beginning part of the parting space. I realized doing that opens the entire part up once you add the foundation powder. Like, I used to pull hair from the entire part, but I realized just doing it at the beginning is enough, and you just put the foundation powder in it and the rest of the part, and it looks open. And makes an illusion of an open part, so it works. It works. Now, what this wig reminds me of is a unit I just recently reviewed that will probably never make it to you all. I don't think I'm ever going to release it because I hated it that much. And it's a brand new sensational unit called Elite Babe. I hated that wig so much. Oh my goodness. And I still probably won't release it. Now I haven't looked at her video, but I saw that Deanna Monet just released that unit, or a video on that unit, and hers looks amazing. I hated mine. It gives me the sense that this is what it was trying to do. Like, it had no flow. It had no flow. This to me has a little flow. You know, got a little layers in here. It's flowing nicely. It has a little direction. That one was all over the place. Like, I ended up just straightening the whole wig because I couldn't get a good flow. It was awful to me. And so I was defeated. Somebody gonna have to do some serious persuading to get me to release that video. But as of now, Now this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I did go in with my hot comb, and I usually have my hot comb on the lowest setting, which is 5 out of, well actually there's a 1, but I usually have it on 5 out of 20 on my synthetic wigs. Now when my human hair wigs, I turn her all the way up. So I just kind of flattened out the parting space in this little top area to make sure there was no humpage, and that worked just fine. Now let's get into some not so great things about this unit. It does not come with like a pre-plucked hairline or anything. That is blunt, dense, and that's okay because, you know, the way it falls, it really doesn't matter. I'm okay with that, and especially for the price, which we'll get into in a second. I'm not experiencing any tangling. However, I am experiencing a tiny bit of shedding, just a little bit, but it's enough. Now, the price range of Miss Janie is between $20 and $40. You can easily find her at $20. Now, of course, I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below of some options so that you can shop for the lowest price. So I think this is a great deal for a yaki textured synthetic wig with layers already. Like, it's nice. It flows nice. It feels nice. I think this is a very nice wig. Now, something I failed to mention that you're gonna have to overlook and get past. Because this unit is so old, it definitely has that hard lace. And it sounds just like that, like it's super hard and crunchy. Haven't had one of those in a while. So when I pulled it out, I was like, ugh, this old crunchy lace. But you know, it's just something you gotta get past. Just get past it and you'll have a look. Just go for the look. Get past the crunchy lace. So that's really all I have on this wig. I mean, it's easy breezy, perfect texture, it flows, it's affordable. Like, this is a very nice wig that, you know, I feel like people might be sleeping on because it's older. You may already have her because it's older. So let me know down in the comments what you think of her if you don't have her, or if you already have her and what you feel about her. How you been rocking her? How you been liking her? So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. I'm gonna get out y'all hair because it's Friday. We got things to do. We got people to see. Not really. I ain't really going nowhere. I'm just saying. So thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.